It is here, amidst the glow of the holidays, that the real work begins. The industrial mixer awaits the first batch.
The refining process ensures that every crystal meets our high standards, resulting in this pure, sparkling flow.
A generous scoop of cinnamon adds warmth and depth, dusting the mixture below before we combine the ingredients.
The final spice, dark brown ground nutmeg, is carefully added to the mixture, creating a small aromatic cloud as it hits the sugar.
The mixture rapidly transforms from a crumbly mess into a cohesive, doughy mass.
To ensure consistency, the freshly kneaded dough is precisely portioned by the automated grid system before proofing. The mechanical arm smoothly lifts the dough blocks, ensuring a clean transfer to the next stage of the conveyor belt.
Next, the rectangular dough block is fed directly into the sheeting machine, emerging significantly flatter on the other side.
The continuous, flat sheet of dough travels along the belt, resembling a wide, edible road or a path of Christmas snow.
Here we see the star-shaped cutter precisely stamping out the perfect cookie shapes. The machine operates with relentless precision. A careful lift ensures the intricate shapes of the gingerbread men, trees, stars, and snowflakes remain intact before baking. Inside the oven, the magic begins. The cookies puff up, expanding rapidly as the heat works its subtle transformation.
The baking time-lapse continues. The color of the cookies begins to change. A beautiful golden brown.
The nozzles move with extreme precision, applying the classic outline before moving on to the eyes and buttons.
The next cookie, a Christmas tree, moves into position. The icing nozzles activate again, this time
They hit the wet white icing, some bouncing gently before coming to rest, embedding themselves in the sweet surface.
A variety of shapes and bright colors create a festive scene as the cookies move to the final packaging stage.
In this stunning display of automation, the articulated robot arm fills the entire tray in seconds, demonstrating
Gleaming under the bright factory lights, each box is perfectly sealed before joining the rhythmic flow of the production line.